What's up? What's up? What's up, everyone? It's your boy Kennedy back again. Um, Welcome to Free Somali Minds. If you're new here, please just do me a favor, subscribe. I just wanted to be able to, talk my shit on the internet because my friends and family are sick and tired of hearing me. So I thought I'd take it to the net. So yeah, please do subscribe. Check out the other videos. Help me out. Share with your friends. So this one here today is I'm often very, very confused at the level of cognitive dissonance of my people. And when I say my people, I'm talking about the Somali people. I don't understand how we don't just, I mean, if we're going to pose our whole life onto it, we should be able to, read the book. Which book? I'm talking about the Quran because the majority of Somalis are Muslim, or so they say, at least. Um, and again and again, it has been proven. I mean, I've been on panels, I've been on a lot of debates. I've seen that the majority of Somali people don't really know what it is that they believe in. This clip I'm bringing you today is from Tal. Tal is the traveling clat. He's a YouTuber, and I don't know. I just like the guy's style. He's a Jewish guy. He's from Israel. He's in Israel rather. I think he's basically doing these conversations. He goes on this app and he talks to a lot of different people, and usually it's basically talk about Palestinian Israeli issues. But this specific clip is not about that. It's about a young Somali man comes onto his feed and they have a conversation. Um, and very quickly, he dismantles the impressions that the young Somali man had of his own religion. It's unfortunate, but that's what I mean by he got out Muslim by a Jewish man. Essentially, it's a Somali man. He had no idea what he was talking about, and he was showing up. And I think personally, I would say this is one of the problems of not owning your spirituality, right? Because Somali people don't own their spirituality. They basically kind of go into something that isn't theirs, so they stay in limbo. So this is one of the things that can come out of not owning your spirituality. All right. So without further ado, let's go and check out this clip. It's quite funny actually. So let's check it out.
Assalamu alaikum, brother.
Almost 3,000 years ago.
My Somali brother. How you doing?
Listen, bro.
Tell me.
All right. See, from the jump, right? The Somali man goes, listen, bro. That's basically a sign that look. I'm basically not going to respect you in this conversation. I'm not going to listen to anything you've got to say in this conversation. Why? Well, because, Tal, how dare you? You have the Israeli flag behind you. You have a shirt that says that, some land was promised to you 3,000 years ago. This is actually, you know what? You don't even need the shirt. The Israeli on its own. Okay, let me actually speak to this for a second. The Israeli flag. The Israeli flag on its own is rage bait. Why is the Israeli flag rage bait? I'm trying to think of another flag, right, in this world that kind of conjures up that kind of feeling in people. Why is it rage bait? It's just a flag from a country that exists on this earth. But no, this young Somali man had to let you know, look, bro, I'm not here to entertain whatever it is that you're trying to do to me. I'm already very, very suspicious of you. Why? Because you have the Israeli flag and you seem to be Jewish. So I'm going to be on my guards. That's essentially what he's saying when he says, look, So let's carry on.
This conversation was promised to you 10 million years ago.
God bless. Alhamdulillah.
I'm telling you, bro. You know what? You being alive was promised 10 trillion years ago.
Trillion years ago. How long was Somalia promised ago?
Yeah, we don't do the promise.
You don't do the promise? How long was Islam promised in Somalia ago? How long ago was that promised?
I don't think Islam does the promise thing either, man.
No? It wasn't? Islam wasn't promised to the Palestinians 3,000 years ago.
We don't do the promise.
You don't do the promise thing.
No one does.
No one does the promise thing.
It's just you guys.
So Palestine wasn't promised to anybody X amount of years ago.
It's no promise, bro. There's no promise.
There's no promise.
Yeah, there's no promise to anything.
You're a Muslim, right?
Yeah.
Let's just research that real quick.
Bro,
Don't run away. Don't run away, huh? Don't run away.
Right away, you can tell that Tal already has done this before. He's already done this before, so he understands what he's going to be doing and how he's going to be taking this apart. And it's sad to say, but the young lad, the young Somali man, was just not prepared. A lot of times, and I can understand that feeling. A lot of times, you think just because I feel a certain way, everybody should adhere to that same way of me feeling. I felt like that too when I was a younger man. But you know, one thing that life teaches you: nobody gives a shit about your feelings. Everybody got feelings. Everybody got emotions. You are responsible for your emotions. Nobody else is. So essentially, what ends up happening is that you get to be taught, lessons like this, and it hurts sometimes. But you know what? You just gotta learn it, man. That's what it is. Let's carry on.
Not run away, because the world will see you as
one question.
Don't wait.
No, one answer. Hurry up. I'm busy.
Don't you run. You're on this website. You are not.
I'm busy, he says. He's on Omi TV. I'm busy. Hurry up. So what we got to understand is that when he's doing these things, it's just him trying to get something back, because he doesn't want the Jew or the Jewish guy to outdo him, So this is basically the young man's way of kind of trying to get back some of that honor or some of that dignity. I mean, it doesn't work, but that's what he's attempting to do.
Not busy. You are unemployed. You are unemployed. You are not busy.
Yeah, I'm busy. Type faster then. Come on.
Yes, the concept of a promised land appears in the Quran.
Bro.
O my people, enter the land which Allah has assigned to you, and do not turn your back. Thus you become losers. And we said afterwards to the children of Israel, dwell securely in the land.
Okay, bro. Don't read the whole book. Okay?
I've read it twice.
Okay, but you're reading the whole book right now. Chill out. Anyway.
Yes. So it seems the Quran has promised the children of Israel a specific land. Now you have to make a decision now. Do you take back what you said in the beginning of this conversation, or do you want to be a kuffar? Do you want to be an apostate to Islam? The internet will now see you as an apostate unless you take back what you said. Are there promises in the Quran? Yes or no?
Internet. Fuck internet.
Are there promises in the Quran? Yes or no? He's gonna run like a bitch, ladies and gentlemen. As we've seen it all many times before. He's busy. He's gonna run like a bitch. Are there promises in the Quran? Yes or no?
Your podcast is shit.
Are there promises in the Quran? Yes or no?
He said your podcast is shit. I don't know. Maybe it's good. I understand Somali humor, because that's hilarious. He goes, your podcast is shit. Like, his podcast has nothing to do with what he's being asked. It's like, your podcast is shit. Again, that was him trying to gain back a little bit of that, a little bit of control over the situation, because it was being shown up. And he goes, see that smirk he has? That's him saying shit, man. I'm in too deep here, but I'm not gonna let him, take the win anyways. That's a very, very Somali way of thinking. It's like, yo, I don't care, man. It's like, Somali say, it's basically you fight till you die, man. Look at this smirk, is hilarious, man. The smirk is just killing me. Oh my days. It's like, your podcast is shit. Yeah, Tal, your podcast is shit. All right. Let's carry on.
I wouldn't really know.
Ladies and gentlemen, this is how you out Muslim the Muslim.
Yes, how you out Muslim the Muslim.
Yo,
Out Muslimed, baby. Out Muslimed. That's what happens, Habibi. That's what happens. Study your book. Read your Quran. Don't be a kuffar. Allah is looking down at you, bro.
You know, I never thought I would be living in a time where a Jewish man would be telling a Muslim man to read his Quran. I'm sorry. It's a great time to be alive, to be honest with you. Read your Quran is essentially what he told them. Read your Quran. That's sound advice, but read your Quran, young lad. And to be told that, I guess, Tal is of the chosen people. he's of the chosen people as they believe, right? So essentially, this is to me, this is comedy. This is pure comedy. This side of me that's just, I can't help but feel a little bit, I don't know, man. I'm still very Somali, I think, because I still feel some type of way for this young lad. But hey, man, some lessons you just got to learn this way, man. What can I say?
Muhammad alayhi wasallam is looking down on you. Don't be a kuffar.
Alright, bro. Alright. Yo, bro. Yo. Good luck with your shit.
He's gonna run like a bitch.
Why does he have such a gripe with his podcast? Good luck with your shit podcast. I don't know, man. I like this guy. I like this guy. Yo, Soul Glow, get at me, bro. You're quite funny, Apti. You're quite funny, man. Your shit, yeah, Tal, your shit podcast.
Watch.
I can't.
He's
go.
very busy. He's very busy.
Am I one of your hostages?
And there it is, right? Am I one of your hostages? So what you have to understand is that in the Somali psyche, right, an Israeli Jewish person is also always seen as the aggressor. We're Somalis. We got our own shit to deal with. I'm not sure why you're, talking about Middle East conflicts and Middle Eastern politics. We're Somalis. We got our own shit. We got our own fish to fry. But he slid that in at the end just because he felt like, I'm going to get him with this one. I'm going to get him with this one. But the crazy thing is, that doesn't make you know your own, scriptures, man. This is politics. It's different. But I understand why you did that.
In Gaza right now.
Do you deny the Quran?
Listen, bro, I'm busy.
But do you deny the Quran?
No, he's like, I'm busy, and he left.
Quran?
Fuck, man. Tal, you're wrong.
It's
for
something
this.
so satisfying about it. Just like, it's the most satisfying feeling in the fucking world, man. I can't explain it.
Have you?
Oh my days! I completely understand what he's saying. He is basically showing that most Muslims don't even know their scripture. Most Muslims don't know what they believe in, especially, I hate to say it, but by Somali people. Dear Somali people, start reading what you believe in. Start reading the Quran. Start reading it, and then we see what it is. Look, I thought that was hilarious. Tal has this way of just kind of knowing the culture of it, so he goes in. He rolls with the punches, and he knows exactly how to handle them. So big ups to you, Tal. I quite enjoy your shit podcast. I'm a big fan. But that was just something that I want to share with you guys, so you can maybe have a chuckle at this, and go ahead and follow Tal because he puts out great content that I enjoy personally. But yeah, please go ahead and like the video, share the video, do all the things, and please subscribe if you're not already subscribed. And I'll see you next time. And like I always say, so malinimo till we demo. Peace out.